Hello, food lovers. Do you enjoy a delicious meal? Of course you do. But when you're speaking English, do you know how to talk about your favorite dish? Do you know how to ask for a recipe? What about describing a taste?
That's a spicy meatball!
Sometimes, simple words about food can be tricky. But don't worry. Today, we're going to learn all the common English phrases that you need to talk about food, cooking, and eating out. Get ready to expand your food vocabulary. Here are some of the common phrases when talking about food. There are lots of different foods you can use to replace the examples I'm giving here, but what's important is how to say it correctly, and then all you need to do is add the food later. Here we go. My favorite food is sushi. My least favorite food is Chinese. I like to eat Mexican food. I don't like to eat vegan food. I've never tried escargot. I like to cook steak. My mother cooks the best lasagna. I don't know how to cook Thai food. I would like to learn how to cook Thai food. I don't cook. I don't know how to cook. I only know how to cook boiled eggs and hot dogs.
Need to learn how to cook.
This is delicious. This is spicy. Now here are some questions to ask about food and cooking. What's your favorite food? What kind of food do you like? Do you like Chinese food? Are you a good cook? What are you good at cooking? Have you ever tried French food? Can you give me a recipe for this? What's in this food? Okay, so those are some basic phrases, some basic questions.
I like chicken, I like lasagna, I like them both, but I really like pork.
So practice using those for now. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. And if you guys want, I can always do more in a part 2. So good luck, and I'll see you next time.